like the best thing ever. It's so nuts. Good morning, guys. Today is a very special day today. We have something going on. I don't know if I want to tell you yet. I want to go get ready. It's 7:30 in the morning. We got stuff to do. Let me get up, get ready with me, and then we will go to our special place. Surprise that I'm going to tell you later. Also, I drink like a cup of water as soon as I get up to hydrate your body.
Stay hydrated.
So get ready with me, and we are going to have the rest of our day be fun and special. Okay, 1 second. And that shit's hella loud.
Of course, behind what's happening over here and what's going on right now. Lunatic_67. There's my YouTube right there. We are at Slide and Shine at Texas Motor Speedway with Monday Night Madness, and they have like all of this stuff going on. Super cool. I'm about to go drifting. Ah! Okay, let's go. Oh my God, guys. We are getting in a drift car with Max. He has an S13 Coupe with an LS2. That car is gonna be crazy fast, like probably over 100 miles an hour, and he's gonna be whipping me around that track, and I am gonna be holding on for dear life. I hope I do not throw up. Comment below if you think I will, because I'm already feeling kind of queasy. And he's also gonna be doing a tandem drive with his friend Fielding, who has a 350Z with an LS swap. So those two cars going side by side, dancing on the track. It's gonna be crazy. So wish me luck, y'all, because I hope I survive this. Oh my God, guys, it's happening. We are here with Max's S13 Coupe, and holy look at this freaking like Iron Man themed car. Gold, the red. Oh, there's the O bar right there. So that, I'm scared. I'm a little bit scared. I'm used to just going straight. But man, he put a lot of work into this thing, and I can't wait. I'm excited, and we're gonna be doing tandem with his friend here with his 350Z. Changing the tires, or?
No, we're hitting things with hammers.
Hitting things with hammers.
Here's how drifting goes.
Making it go driftier.
Yeah, exactly.
We're making it safe for you to ride, you know?
Yeah. Ah, no, that's cool. Did you hit something?
No.
Oh.
You know how it is with the drag cars. Things rattle loose and bolts
Yeah,
need
and
to
you
be
just gotta
checked
hammer
and-
it away.
Yeah, this and zip ties.
I am excited and scared, and I hope I don't throw up.
I guarantee you this is slower than your car by about
Yeah,
4
but
times.
I need to do lessons though.
Yeah,
I
come
really
on, let's do
do
it.
want to learn how to drive, because with
your
that
helmet over here.
with that high horsepower car, I like start fishtailing. Having to like feel it early and try to straighten it early, that's my issue. That's why I was like, maybe if I start learning how to do it, I'll be able to like catch it early, you know?
This car's on a 285, 200 treadwear Accelera 651 Sport. It's got a lot of grip,
man,
but
oh,
you know, I've taken a GT3 RS on a 325 Cup 2, and it's a league different. And then you get in your car, which has all the grip, and that starts spinning. It's many leagues different.
It's completely different.
So,
Oh yeah, I only do like this. I do not like.
Shimmy, yeah.
Well, let's
Wheels
hope
flying
we
through
don't
it,
do
yeah.
this.
Yep. No,
on
we're
the
doing a lot
drag
of that in
strip.
there. Is this your first time in a drift car?
No, I
Okay.
went with at Fuel Fest
Okay.
with Nate Hamilton.
Oh, he's one of my
And-
best friends.
Yeah,
I was in
well,
his
tell him I
wedding.
said
I
hi.
But he was super nice, and we did like 2 rounds and stuff, and I was still like, holy crap, and I was like trying to find anything to grab onto, but and I was like so scared, but I'm gonna do it.
Let's party.
Let's do it.
All right. Someone broke my door handle, so
Oh,
that's your door handle now.
Oh, that's okay. Mine actually didn't have a door handle for a while. Okay, out.
Is it hot?
A little bit, but it's fine. Woo! What does this button do?
Please, please, do not push the button. You have no idea what it.
Oh my God, guys, we are in it to win it. Do you compete too?
Sometimes. I go to competitions every now and again. I did LS Fest.
Oh yeah, that was a big one.
Yeah.
Before of like where I'm still alive. Okay, Max. Ah! I feel confident because I'm not driving.
You just gotta hang on and hang out.
We got this, Max. Why do I feel like I'm like skydiving right now?
You've done it, but it's about 100 when we flick in, so.
Oh my God.
But you know the deal.
You guys, 100 miles an hour, throwing me around,
Here we go.
getting whipped. Where's my bar right here? Yay! If I'm trying to learn it, what do you recommend for like a local place?
So for Dallas, Urban Drift it has a lot of local events.
Oh, they have one, okay. And then you could learn from it? It's happening! It's happening! Oh. Are still in place.
We're live. Yeah, there's a bunch of bars and things to bounce off of.
Oh my goodness. Holy crap.
Pretty fun, huh?
Oh, my heart needs to catch up with my soul.
You okay?
And that second one, I swear to God, they were trying to make me like lose my shit.
Big like random cloud of smoke we just blasted through.
Yes! There was like so much smoke. Oh my, I'm definitely not used to like running without windows.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I'm like, I could feel the dirt. But that was so fun. Oh,
yeah.
Okay, I need to learn. You gotta teach me. Max, he's gonna be my new instructor. Holy moly.
That was wild, wasn't it?
Like, that was like the best thing ever. Like, I don't even know, like, I feel like I'm getting more of like an adrenaline rush with this than like drag racing.
It's new
oh,
though, right?
sorry to say, but
See, you'd put me in your drag car though, and I'd be screaming just like that.
But oh my God, thank you.
Get you a car.
I appreciate
For sure.
it. Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Follow Max. Is it? Did you say first?
Yep, that's it.
Max. Damn, that's a good last
Nailed it.
name.
No one ever gets it either. So good
Max
job.
First, right here, guys. Follow him, and we will probably do more videos if he
Come on.
wants to teach me
Ready to go drifting
how to
anytime.
drift.
I know y'all know about the 370Z life, so
Oh my God.
that'd be a great chassis for you.
It would.
Cheap one.